Well, boys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, and look what we have. A lot of boxes. I actually just woke up. Can you guys tell? Like I said again, guys, I'm super sorry for not being here. Actually, it feels weird recording again. If it makes any sense, it feels really weird. But a lot of things have been going on. I've been really busy with work. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I do have multiple jobs, and it's just rough, man. It's rough making videos with the whole COVID thing. I haven't had, you know, luck getting parts, and then I work. Not an excuse, but you know, I've been tired, and to be honest, I haven't felt like making videos in a while. But I decided, you know what, let's stop being lazy. Let's get back to the grind. Let's get back to the builds. It's time to start building the RF to my liking. And well, my liking is very expensive. We have a lot of things here that is just gonna make the RF look a little bit better. And if you guys haven't seen it yet, we do have a new mod in the RF. Yup, if you still don't know, we got the windows tinted, so that's a good thing. We got the windows tinted. It's really nice and cold in here. We're off to Ricardo's garage. We're gonna install a lot of these parts, and yes, and we're here. Hopefully I have access to the lift, because I do need the lift. So you know, I'm just gonna make my way slowly. Oh no, there's still somebody in the lift. Oh, I'm just gonna park it here for now. Look at this Firebird. Pretty dope. If you guys want to see like reviews on cars, let me know, because these guys Ricardo has a lot of customer cars. I mean, I can't drive them, but we can go over them and look at the stuff. So there's a Firebird. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. I do need a lift for one of these parts, so we'll check on you guys in a little bit. Well, if you guys can't tell, it's actually been raining. Yeah, I haven't done anything. It's been raining for a couple minutes. The lift is taken. So you know what, let's do the small things first, and then do the big things. We're not doing anything too drastic to the car, but look at it now. It's gonna look a little bit different. I'm gonna put my own touches to this car with a couple of the little things that you can get for this car. There's actually not a big aftermarket scene on this car, probably because it's too new, but there's a lot of little stuff, so we're gonna make it my own. And the first part is getting rid of this antenna. And the reason I'm getting rid of it, it works perfectly fine, but it just looks like an RC car. I don't like how tall this thing is. It doesn't need to be this tall, so we actually got an aftermarket one. But before we go and install that, let's fire the car up so you can hear how the radio sounds and see if we get any reception, because if the new antenna doesn't get any reception, then it was pointless. So let's put the radio on, see if we can get some music real quick. I agree. Audio sources, no, don't connect to, okay, FM radio. Do we get any radio? Oh. Alright, we get radio. I don't want to play it too long because I don't want to get copyrighted, but now that we know we get reception, if the new antenna doesn't get reception, I'm going to keep the old one, because I do want the radio and I want the looks. And the way you take this off is you simply just unscrew it. Super easy, just like that. And like I said again, I'm only doing this because I don't like the RC look. Simple, right? I ended up getting all this stuff from Miata, so if you guys need any parts or want any of these parts, check out miata.com. They're all in there. Here is a new antenna. It's called the Antenna Shorty. There we go. There's nothing on it, completely blank. Shorty antenna. We have the Shorty antenna. Like I said again, let's turn it on. Hopefully we still get reception. If we don't get reception, then I'm not going to recommend this. So if it works and it's short, then I'm happy. If it doesn't work and it's short, then it's just for looks and it's pointless. So let's fire this up again. Let's see if we get any reception. I agree.
Am I right?
And like that, we have a winner, and it actually sounds pretty good. So we're done with the first install. Let's go on to the next one. Time for mod numero dos. Here we have a Miata dash cover, and the reason I'm getting one of these is because for some reason, bro, lower your music. I don't know why, but newer cars always have the problem where the dashes melt. And I do plan on keeping this car for the long run because it cost me a lot of money, and I sold my precious Uno for it, and I love this car. So you know what, I invested in a dash cover. Believe it or not, this dash cover looks like, it looks cheap. It honestly looks very cheap. I bought it from Miata, and it was honestly kind of expensive. So I think I paid like 80 bucks for this, and it looks cheap. It looks like a shirt. So honestly, if I was you guys, I would check out this website Dash Designs and see if they sell it cheaper, because they must sell it cheaper for Miata to get it and sell it for this price and still make profit. So It comes with instructions. I don't know what the instructions would be for, but these do have, let me see, they do have sticky tape on it. Oh, it's already pre-stuck, so I guess you take it off and it's oh no, it comes off. Okay, I get it now. Well guys, to install the dash cover, they gave you like these Velcro double-sided strips. You put them on the dash and then you put the dash cover on top, and the Velcro keep it in place. And just like that, the dash cover is on. She's really snug. This thing is not coming off whatsoever. The Velcro strips are doing really good, so we're done with that. Now we can move on to the next mod. All right guys, now we're gonna do oh my lord, I can't even count. My third mod for today. This is actually very simple. It's not beneficial. It doesn't do anything, but it looks good. And like I said again, I'm going with the red theme with this car. So I saw this on the Moz Miata website. I bought a lot of things from Moz Miata. We got this Gavin Speed battery tie down. What it's going to do pretty much is just gonna get rid of the stock one with a nice pretty red one with the Gavin logo on it. So I loosened it up already. Very easy. You just loosen these up and replace it. So, and just like that, it is done. Like I said again, that has nothing to do beneficial. It's not beneficial whatsoever to the car, but it looks a little bit nicer. Now we got the red battery tie down. We have the red oil cap, and we're gonna add a couple more red things to the car. This is gonna be a gray and red, or metallic or silver, whatever this color is, and red. So that's our combination of choice. The Uno's was orange, this one will be red. I love bright colors, and yeah, she's good. I just gotta tighten it up. Now let's move on to mod number 4. We got the lift. As it's getting dark, we're gonna put one more thing on this car. Yeah, we're gonna put some livery, whatever you guys like to call it. It's just a red stripe going down the side. I originally had a copper one. You guys didn't see it. I took it off because we messed it up badly, but because we put it on the floor, now that we have it here on the lift, we can actually see it closely and make sure it actually aligns with the door, because the livery that I got lines with the door. Man, that spoiler looks sick. So now that we're up here, we can put it on correctly, and we're going with the red theme. Unfortunately, it is kind of dark, so you guys will have to see it tomorrow. So let's pull it out. Mod numero 4 or 5, I have no idea. We're recording this for the TikTok. Oof, oof, so much better. We need an exhaust ASAP, and we need LEDs for those lights. They look really old for a car this new. Keep going, keep going. Oh man, that's really, that's really close. This thing's, dang, this is not for small cars. Well boys, it's a couple days later. Check this thing out. She's looking mean, she's looking clean. We're gonna add a couple more carbon fiber parts to this thing, and we actually have them in the trunk. We have these carbon Miata tail light covers. These things are pretty rad. All you do is double side tape them like so. The fitment, pretty spot on. This thing looks really good. Let me see if I can just mock it up real quick for you guys. It's gonna look something around those lines. It looks really good. It's gonna look good with the carbon Miata trunk. We're gonna do a lot of carbon Miata parts everywhere, so this will be a super easy install. Just put double-sided tape. Be careful how you lay it on, and there you go. And honestly, this one fits 100 times better than the other one. This one actually fits very well. We do have some imperfections on the carbon fiber a little bit, but not too bad. As you can see, this thing looks really good. I fall in love with this car more and more every single day. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad for you guys, but man, this thing looks good. Carbon Miata tail light covers, carbon Miata trunk. We got the stubby on antenna. We have the red calipers. We have the red line. We have the dash, whatever matte. What else did we do to this? We did put different lug nuts as well. We have the low profile lug nuts. We did so much to this car, and this thing is coming out really nicely. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these carbon tail lights or carbon covers. Some of you might think they're a little rice. I think they look really awesome. You guys still don't get the look of what I'm going for. I need the wheels, I need to lower, and this thing is gonna look really, really good. Maybe wide body kit. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys next time.